Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to water propagate succulents today, and it's my favorite way to propagate leaves and cuttings. So let's start. You're gonna need a glass container, either a glass or a mason jar, hair tie, wrap, a sharp knife, and of course your cuttings. Now you're going to want to make them air dry for at least a week before you do this, otherwise they might die really quickly in this process. To begin with, pour water into your glass container. Make sure you will leave at least 1 inch from the top. Then we're going to take the wrap and place it over the glass container. Make sure to stretch it out so it will be easier to cut it. Now secure it with the hair tie so the plastic doesn't move. Now grab your sharp knife and you're going to want to poke a hole, just like this. You might want to do this slowly, otherwise you make the hole too big and leaf will fall through. I remember when I first tried water propagation, I ended up killing so many plants and leaves because I didn't let the plant wait long enough before I planted it. So when you cut the leaf off the mother plant, you're going to want to make it air dry for at least 3, 4, 5 days, in this case 1 week. And you want the ends to have callused completely before you do this. Then after that it's more likely that your plant will survive, otherwise it tends to overwater, wither or die. We do not want that. We want many more succulents. So you better make it wait. Now when you finish putting all the leaves in the glass container, you're going to want to place it in a window or somewhere where it gets enough sunlight before the plant starts to grow.